Welcome to the Nexgrill Model 720-0830H assembly video. Before we begin, reference your owner's manual to make sure all of your grill's parts are accounted for. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete the assembly. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly process, please call the customer service line on your screen. Let's do this. We'll start by installing the tank bolt. First, remove the end cap, then slide the bolt through the hole in the bottom panel. Once attached, replace the end cap like so. Next, we'll attach the bottom panel trim piece. Slightly loosen all 5 pre-assembled screws on the trim piece, slide it into place, then retighten the screws. Next, we'll attach the 4 casters to the bottom panel. On this grill, you should have 2 stationary casters, 1 swivel caster, and 1 swivel caster with a brake. With the bottom panel flipped upside down, the 2 stationary casters should be positioned on the right side of the panel, while the swivel caster with a brake should be positioned on the left side, opposite of the panel. Secure each caster using 4 A screws and 4 E washers. Once all 4 casters are attached, flip the bottom panel right side up and attach the door iron piece using the pre-assembled screws on the opposite side of the tank bolt. To secure the door iron piece, slightly loosen the pre-assembled screws, slide it into place, and retighten the screws. Next, attach the first side panel by slightly loosening the 3 pre-assembled screws on the side of the bottom panel. Then, slide the side panel into place and retighten the screws. Repeat these same steps for the other side panel. Once both side panels are secure, loosen the 2 pre-assembled screws on the inside of each side panel, then slide the back panel into place, vents down. Before retightening the pre-assembled screws, secure the back panel into place with 3 D screws at the base of the panel. After that, you can go ahead and retighten the pre-assembled screws. Next, attach the triangle bracket to both sides of the bottom panel. To do so, loosen the 4 pre-assembled screws on the bottom and side panels, slide the bracket into place, and retighten the screws. Repeat these same steps to attach the second triangle bracket on the opposite side. Next, attach the cart frame at the top of the side panels on the front side of the grill using 4 D screws. Be sure the cart frame is completely level once secured. Later, it will affect the balance of the bowl assembly. With your cart in place, now it's time to affix the firebox assembly on top. This step requires 2 people. Carefully lift the firebox assembly and place it on top of your grill cart. Once in place, secure the firebox assembly with 4 D screws, 2 on each side of the firebox. Next, attach your handles to the cart's doors by first removing the 2 pre-assembled screws in each handle, then reinserting the screws from behind each door. Once your doors are assembled, we'll attach them to the grill. Have your assembly partner hold the first door to the side of the grill cart, then align the hinges with the holes in your side panels. After that, use 6 C screws to secure the door, but only tighten the screws enough to hold the door in place for now. Repeat these same steps to attach the second door. Once both are in place, close the doors to see how they align. If necessary, you can adjust the alignment by holding each door as needed while you fully tighten the hinges. Once both doors are attached, find your grease tray assembly. With the grease tray tilted on its side, attach both support brackets using 4 B screws and 4 F washers. Next, attach the support bracket bridge using 2 B screws. And lastly, secure the slider using 2 additional B screws. Once your grease tray is fully assembled, simply slide it into the back of the grill. Then from the front of the grill, insert your grease cup into the grease tray. Now we're going to assemble the side burner. To begin, loosen the 2 pre-assembled screws found on the right side of your grill. Then, slide the side burner assembly on like so. Once attached, retighten the 2 pre-assembled screws. Next, align the side burner control panel with the main control panel using 1 B screw and 1 F washer. After that, open your grill's lid and use 3 D screws and 3 E washers to further secure the side burner assembly to the rest of the grill. Now loosen the 2 pre-assembled screws over on the left side of your grill. Once loosened, slide your grill's side shelf into place. Then retighten the pre-assembled screws, just like before. Align the side shelf's front panel with your grill's main control panel using 1 B screw and 1 F washer. Once again, open your grill's lid and use 3 D screws and 3 E washers to further secure the left side shelf to the rest of the grill. Next, loosen the pre-installed screws on the side burner gas valve. Then carefully and firmly insert the valve through the side burner control panel. Once inserted, retighten the pre-assembled screws and attach the control knob. After that, position the regulator hose into the opening in the right side panel. Next, find the side burner and remove the 2 pre-assembled screws from the bottom. After that, slide the side burner down into its assembly and over the tip of the main gas valve. Once set, replace and retighten the 2 pre-assembled screws into the bottom of the side burner. Next, position the side burner igniter wire onto the needle protruding from the side burner assembly. Then go ahead and set the side burner cooking grid into place. Now that your side burner is assembled, open the lid on your grill and put each flame tamer into place at the bottom of the main burner bowl. No screws are necessary to secure the flame tamers. On top of those will be the cooking grids and the warming rack. Place the grids into place above the flame tamers. Then set the warming rack into place. Next, unscrew the pulse igniter cap from the front control panel. Place a AA battery into the slot negative end first, then screw the cap back into place. With your grill nearly assembled, now it's time to attach the liquid propane tank. Place your gas tank inside the grill cart, then carefully and firmly connect the gas line to your tank. Lastly, tighten the tank bolt to secure your gas tank in place. Your Nexgrill 4-burner with side burner is now assembled and ready to go. Now get out there and grill something different.